dy. Okay, so compute the line integral y square dx minus x square dy around the triangle. So triangle they mentioned and whose vertices are 1 0 0 1 and minus 1 0, and they're asking the entire curve. Here the entire curve is nothing but what? Triangulum. So here it is having, first you need to take the triangle. So here it is having, keep the points here it is. Suppose I am taking, so I am taking x-axis and y-axis. Why? Because that is they mentioned clearly in x-y axis. So here it is having 1 comma 0. So 1 comma 0 is nothing but where it is that point. Here it is, right? 1 comma 0. And next 0 comma 1. So 0 comma 1 is nothing but here it is somewhere. Okay. So this is 0 comma 1. And next minus 1 comma 0. So this is minus 1 comma 0. Now you join these vertices. If you join these points, so simply what we are getting, triangle or not. So here it is, this is the entire triangle they mentioned. Now what they asked to calculate, we require the entire curve. So integral f bar dot dr bar over the curve C is equal. Simply here it is having, just if you give the names, this one A, B, C, M. And always the curve travels in anti-clockwise direction here. So that is nothing but here it starts from A. So A to B and B to C and C to M. It means total how many lines it is forming? Total 3 lines it is formed, right? Integral AB one line, AB one line, integral f bar dot dr bar plus another line is nothing but here it is having BC line, integral f bar dot dr bar, and next another line is nothing but here it is having CL line. So this is for getting the entire triangle. With the triangle, how many lines it forms? Total 3 lines it forms, right? You need to find those 3 lines and then you need to calculate here. And here it is integral f bar dot dr bar, already they only mentioned in the problem directly. So f bar dot dr bar is equal to what? Y square dx minus x square dy f bar dot dr bar. It means obviously simply what we can say that f bar is nothing but, of course no need, but you have to know that f bar is nothing but simply what we can write here, y square I plus, sorry, minus x squared z. This is f bar, right? And dr bar is nothing but here it is having what they mentioned, dxi plus dyz. Since the curve is in xy plane, obviously z is equal to 0, so dz is equal to 0. And if you apply dot product between these two vectors, simply what we'll get, y square dx minus x square dy. So y square dx minus x square dy. Now we need to find the lines AB, BC and CA. After finding the lines, we need to add this one. Okay, so first one along the line ABM, along the line AB. So here it is, the line A is nothing but here it is having minus 1 0, and B is nothing but here it is having 1 0. So here it is same like as previous one. X is from where to where? Here it is having, if you observe that, X is from minus 1 to 1. And what about Y? So Y is equal to 0, right? It means that this is the line Y equal to 0 or not. So this is the line Y is equal to 0 throughout line. So Y is equal to 0 means obviously what about dy? So dy is also 0. Now you calculate this one, integral f bar dot dr bar along the line AB is equal to, along the line AB is equal, simply x is from minus 1 to 1 and f bar dot dr bar is nothing but y square dx. So but y square is nothing but 0 square dx as this minus x square dym. So x square as this, and what about dy? That is also 0. So simply what we got it, along the line AB we got it as 0. Next you need to calculate another one. So what about another line? Along the line BC line. So along the line BCM. So BC line is nothing but here it is, what about B? So B is 1 comma 0 and C is 0 comma 1. But can we write directly this one? No. Why? Because if you observe that X is from 1 to 0 and Y is from, X is from 1 to 0 and Y is from 0 to 1. Okay, here it is. I got the line y equal to 0 directly from by seeing the points I wrote. But here it is having no line I have. Okay, I require the line. So even a common unnappudu okay. But here it is having no common thing. So for this, simply what you need to find equation of equation of BC you need to find. Equation of BC is, what is the formula we are using? X minus x1 by x2 minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 by y2 minus y1. Now you can substitute the values here. X minus x1 is nothing but 1, right? This is x1. And x2 minus x1 is nothing but 0 minus 1. And y minus y1 is nothing but y1 is 0 and y2 is there, it is having. What about y2? So y2 is equal to 1 and y1 is here, it is having 0. So it means simply what we'll got it, x minus 1 by minus 1 is equal to ym. It means simply what we got the line here is y is equal to minus of x minus 1. So this is by multiplying we get the minus y is equal to 1 minus xm. So y is equal to 1 minus x. So this is the line. Now it means we need to convert y in terms of x or x in terms of y. So that's why I'm applying differentiation on both sides. Dy is equal, the derivative of 1 is 0 and x derivative is nothing but dx. So dy is equal to minus dx. Now you need to take the line integral f bar dot dr bar over the line BC is equal to, over the line BC is equal to, here it is having the, I'm going to convert in terms of x sum. So for that, what are the limits of x? 1 to 0, 1 to 0. And what about f bar dot dr bar? Here it is having y square dx minus x square dy. So y square is nothing but 1 minus x whole square into dx minus x square dy. So x square into dy is nothing but minus dx sum. So this is equal integral 1 to 0 1 minus x whole square, and this is nothing but minus into minus plus sum plus x square dx. And now you can directly apply integration. So 1 minus x whole square integration is nothing but 1 minus x whole cube by 3, and this one is nothing but minus 1 plus x square integration is x cube by 3m between the limits 1 to 0. So if you substitute upper limit first in place of x as 0, here it is what we'll get, minus 1 by 3, and here it is, this is 0. And next if you substitute lower limit, minus become plus and 1 minus 1 0. And here it is simply we'll get it as minus 1 by 3 9. So this is minus 2 by 6. That is simply what we got it, minus 1 by 3m. So this is the line BCM. Next along the line, what about along the line? Next one, CA. So along the line CA. So here it is having C is nothing but, if here it is 0 1 and A is nothing but minus 1 0. 0 1 and minus 1 0. Here also nothing will possible. So here it is having x is from 0 to minus 1 and y is from 1 to 0. So same as this, you have to find the equation of CA. Equation of CA is x minus x1 is nothing but 0 by x2 minus x1. So this is equal to y minus y1 by, okay, y minus y1 by y2 minus y1. So it means simply what we got it, x by minus 1 is equal to y minus 1 by minus 1. So it means simply you can write x is equal to y minus 1. So here it is, I'm going to convert x in terms of y. If you want, you can convert y in terms of x. That's up to you. So dx is equal, what I am doing, y derivative is nothing but dy. Okay. Same integral f bar dot dr bar along the line CA is equal to integral. So x I'm going to convert in terms of ym. So it means what are the limits of y? 1 to 0. And here it is f bar dot dr bar is nothing but y square dx. So y square as this, and dx is nothing but dy minus x square dym. So x is nothing but y minus 1 whole square dy. So which is equal integral 1 to 0 this one y square derivative, so integration is nothing but here it is having y cube by 3 minus y minus 1 whole square integration of y minus 1 whole cube by 3. So between the limits 1 to 0. So here it is, if you substitute first to 0, this is 0, and here it is having 0 minus 1 whole cube. Minus 1 whole cube is nothing but minus 1, but already here minus, so it becomes plus 1 by 3. And next here it is, we are going to substitute lower limit. So if you substitute lower limit, minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 3, and here it is having 1 minus 1, 0. So it means simply what we got it, this is 0 now. So this is the line CM, but what I require, so I require to find the throughout triangle. So throughout the triangle is nothing but simply what we can write here it is integral. So here from equation 1. So here I am writing, so from 1. So from equation 1, integral f bar dot dr bar over the curve C. F bar dot dr bar over the curve C is equal to ABM. Along the line AB, what we got it 0. And next second one, minus 1 by 3. And third one, we got it as 0. So this is equal simply what we got it, minus 1 by 3m. So this type of one only they asked to find in Green's theorem.